guys, and thanks for clicking on this video. You know, 'tis the season, so in this making a mask video, we're going to be making a St. Nick mask. Alright, so I'm going to just start basing out my cast here in a flesh tone. There's not going to be a lot of detail paint because there's going to be the beard and all the hair, so we're not going to have to worry about that. We're going to jump right into our wash, and getting the wash out of the way sooner is going to be much easier than trying to do it when I have all that hair on there. We're going to start adding our contact cement on the beard and the headpiece. And I wanted to take a quick moment and actually show you guys how I lay my hair. I will do a separate video on the hairing process, but I take a separate piece of cardboard to allow myself to control the hair and the contact cement because it can be quite messy. So as you can see, I just coat the end of the hair with the contact cement, and then I'll cut along the edge here to have a clean cut. Again, I'll be doing a separate video more in depth on the whole hair laying process. I just wanted to show you guys that end because I don't think I've showed you that in the previous video. So I'm going to start laying our beard here, and I use the other end of the brush to push those edges down a bit. And we're going to lay the hair on the top of the head. And we're going to cut our mustache, glue our mustache on, and we're going to glue a set of eyebrows on as well. And now I'm going to go in and fill out some of those glue spots where the contact cement pigmented, onto the mask. Just cover that up a bit. And we're going to start adding our blood. So the idea for this mask was just like, what if I, took Santa Claus's head and skinned it? So it's just like a skinned Santa Claus. So he's got the blood on the eyes and the mouth. And we add our Santa hat on here, which I'm just going to go ahead and glue right down onto the mask. So it'll be one piece. And we're going to start bloodying up our hat a little bit. And I'm going to do a second wash. This is just going to help blend everything together a little bit more. Really get in some of those other details. And I'm going to do some washes on the hat as well to kind of dinge it up. Try to make things look as natural as possible. And we're going to start styling the hair so he looks more like Santa Claus and less like Fu Manchu. And just using some white plastic dip and teasing the hair out a bit. And that'll take us to our final product. If you liked the video, feel free to hit the like button and leave a comment. Also subscribe for more videos like this.